You know that difference between first class and the second class is just 0.01. And someone might be second class due to calculations mistake. I mean, calculation error. Why can't you just save yourself from such situations by learning a simple way to calculate your GPA or CPA by yourself? My name is today, and today we'll be going to CGPA and GPA calculation. Okay, well, all you have to do after this has been designed on your system, all you have to do is to input the courses you took for that particular semester, and the courses units and the grade. With these three parameters, then your point will be generated, your total point will be generated, total units will be generated, total point will be generated, and GPA, the major one, will be generated for you immediately. Let's practicalize this. Let's say you took these courses in a particular semester. Here you have the course unit for this course is 2, for instance. This is the course unit is 4, the course unit is 3, this is 3, the course unit is 3, this the course unit is 1, this the course unit is 2, this course unit is 3. In this course, MTH 1, 2, 2, 3, you got a grade of, let's say B. Here you got a grade of A, this is fine. Here you got B, here you got C, here A, and here you got D. Let me have one E. Let's say here you have he here. Now, if you started all this value, then the next thing, if you check it now, it will change. Let's check here. Now, your total points in this course, the points you earn in this course is 2. Here is 20, here is 12, here, and here. Now, your total points earned in that particular semester is 5.3. So at the end of the day, the total course unit is 15, and your GPA is 3.533. This process, I think it's very simple to do that. Okay, let me quickly show you how to do this. Okay, now let's start with total units. To get that unit, just click here. This have to be started by you, by the user. So once you've done that, by the designer, you have to make sure that you write your code very well. So when you come here, double click, then enter equal sign. Now, for instance, I'm adding this cell. I'm adding from row 4 to row 9. So just say equal sign, then this, the first one, plus the second one, plus the third one, plus the fourth, plus the fifth, plus the sixth, then enter. This will give you total units. Let's verify. Let's change this one to 1, to 2 rather. You can see now, it's to 13. Okay. Now, here, you don't need to do anything here. This is the major part, because this part has to check what is your grade, then multiply the equivalent value for each grade by the unit. Remember, we're working on a 5-point grade system where A is 5, B is 4, C is 3, and the rest. So if you have A here, you have to check, okay, what's your grade? Okay, it's A. Now multiply 5 by this number. Like here now, we multiply 5 by 2, making 10. Multiply 4, B is 4 by 3, making 12. Multiply C, which is 3, multiply 3 by 1, this is 3. So in this place, you have to insert the code very well to check properly. So let's come here. So you can see the code. I will play it and do it again. So just enter equal sign. Then if what? Grade, that is D4, that is D4, sorry, D4. Yeah, no, that's not D4. This is G. Okay, that should be G then. G4. Oh, okay, F4. This is F4, yes. Then if the F4 equals to what? Equals to A. It's a letter, I have to quote it. It's equal to A. Then, comma, what should happen? Multiply 5. But it's A. By 5 aesthetical. By what? By the cost unit. By the cost unit. By the cost unit. Cost unit is E4. E4. Okay. Then, comma, what if your grade is not A? What if it's B? So check for B. So if your grade, which is F4, equals to B, then comma, what should happen? Multiply 4. B is 4. Multiply 4 by what? By what's it called? E4 by E4. That is your unit. Or what your grade is what? Is not B. It is C. Check for C. If it's C. So if F4 equals to what? Equal to C. Equal to C, then what should happen? What should happen? What should happen is multiply 3. 3 times F4 times E4, sorry. E4, that is the unit, E4. What is not C? If it is D, check for D. If your grade, which is what? F4 equals to what? E. Then what should happen? It should multiply E is 1, right? Good. No, we're thinking about I've skipped D. Let's do D. We are doing D now. D, if it is D, then multiply 2 by the cost unit, which is E4, right? E4. Yes. Then comma. Check for the last one. If your grade is E, is if F4 equals to E, then what should happen? What should happen is multiply it by 1. By 1 by what? By your grade by cost unit, which is E4. Then with this, we are done with the 5 letters we have. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Sorry, we don't put F. So if it is okay, if it is F, let's check for F. So if it is F, then 0. If it is F, if your grade is F, that is carry over. Your grade is F. If F4 equals to F then multiply 0 by your cost unit is 0. I mean, that's carry over. We don't pray for such by cost unit, which is E4. Okay, with this now, we have checked for the possible grades A, B, C, D, E, F. So if it is A, multiply 5, if it is B, multiply 4, if it is C, multiply 3, if it is D, multiply 2, and the rest. So let's close the bracket. 1, 2, I'll open the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll open 6 brackets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll click enter. Okay. So remember, E is what? E is 1. So 1 times 2, 2. So let's copy it for the many rows. Okay. So A is 5 times 2, 10. B is 4 times 3 is 12, which is fine. So this is how to do this. Also, I've done these two here and here and here. So the next thing is we come here to get our GP, to get our grade point average. Just come here and divide what? Divide total point here. Divide total point n. Divide it here. Divide it by what? By total units. So just say this divided by this. That's total units divided by the total points. Enter. This will give you 3.3. Let's say I want to get first class. I will need like how many A's? Let me change this E to B. Let me change this one to B. 3.7 straight. No, not yet first class. Let me just C to B. Let's see. Is it yet in first class? No. Because that's 4 points above. Let me change it to B to A. 4.0 is still close. Let's have a lot. Okay, I have D here. That's just a major problem. We have 3 in a 3 unit course. Let me change to A to go to first class straight. You can see 4.7. So all you have to do is, I think with this, we are good to go with our result calculation. Next time we meet, we go to a 4 grade point system, and we also work on how to calculate the Cgpa. So it's grade point average. So we'll also go for Cgpa. Thank you. See you next time.